Hi YouTube, Tim Unker here. In this video, we are going to switch numbers from standard format to scientific notation, and we're going to go back. So let's start with the numbers that are in standard format. For instance, this number here, 3,459,222. We want to switch that to a number in scientific notation. So we're going to have to count how many times, when we're in scientific notation, let me back up a little bit. When we're in scientific notation, we'll have some number point, something. It's going to look like this, like let's say 4.02 times 10 to the third power. Okay, that number we would have started, if I'd moved this over 3, so we would have started with a number like this, where the decimal point was here. We would have moved the decimal point over till we only have one number left of the decimal point that's not 0 on the left-hand side and all the other numbers on the right. And then we'll count these number of places here, and we'll use that as our power of 10. Okay, so we're going to start with the decimal point here, and we're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So we're going to rewrite this number as 3.459,222 times 10 to the 6th power, because we moved 6 decimal places to the left. Okay. All right, let's take a look at this next one here. This next one, again, we're going to do the same process. So we have our decimal point here, and we have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we moved 9 decimal places. So we're going to write the number as 8.1, and then we have 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 7, 7, 8. And then it's times 10. And we're going to have to the power, the power of 10 is going to be the number of decimal places we move. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 to the 9th power, like so. Okay, this next one's a little different because we're going to have to move the decimal place to the right, and we're going to move it so we have one number that's not 0 on the left of the decimal place. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we're going to write our number as 5.014, and that's going to be times 10 to, we moved 3 to the right, so it's going to be a negative power of 10. So times 10 to the negative 3 power. Okay, next one, let's change colors again. We have the decimal place here. We're going to move it 1, 2, 3 places to the left. I'm going to write this number as 9.227 times 10 to the 3rd power, because we moved 3 places to the left there. Okay, this next one, we are moving to the right, so we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to write it as 1.07 times, and we move 9 places, times 10 to the right, so it's 10 to the negative 9 power. Okay, so that's the converting from standard form to, or standard notation to scientific notation. Okay, so now we're going to go the other way. We're going to go from scientific notation, I think I wrote standard form, standard notation. So from scientific notation to standard notation, I'm going to erase these. Take a snapshot if you need to. Okay, there we go. And let's scroll on down. So we're converting from scientific notation to standard notation here, and we have these numbers. And let's start with our first one. Okay, so 10 to the third power. That means when we multiply 3.019 times 10 to the third power, we're going to move that decimal place 3 places to the right. So we're going to go, and I got too big of a thing here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be 3,100 or 3,019. Okay. All right. So this next one, we're multiplying by 10 to the negative 7. That means we're going to move the decimal place 7 to the left when we multiply this out. And I might get a little low on room. So, if I start here, 5.12, I'm just going to write this at the bottom. We're going to move 7 to the left, and we're going to add zeros as we go. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add our zeros. Yeah, you don't really need to cross through the zeros, but I don't know, I'm doing it. Okay, and then we're going to place our decimal place here and have a 0 to the left of that. So really, if I wrote this, I'm not going to do the crosses there in the zeros, but so we got 6 zeros because we had the decimal place here. We had to move from the 5. That was our first spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 5, 1, 2. And we're good with that one. Okay, this next one, we're multiplying by 10 to the 10th power. So we're going to start at 1, the 1.20997. We're going to move the decimal place right 10 places and add zeros as necessary. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and add our zeros. So we get 1 billion. No, that's not right. Sorry, 12 billion, 99 million, and 700,000. Cool. All right. Next one, we've got this 9.32, and we're multiplying by 10 to the negative 9 power. So we have to move left 9 places. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this stuff here. I've done those already. Make room for this problem. So we got 9.32. And we're going to move 9 places to the left. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a decimal point here. Add the zeros. I'm bad with my zeros this morning. And add a 0 here. Okay, so let me place that in our table. We got 0. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros because the 9 was the first place we moved. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 2. Lovely handwriting I have this morning. Not really. Okay, next, or the last one, we have 4.44 times 10 to the 11th power. We are going to move 11 places to the right and add zeros as necessary. So we're starting with 4.44. We got to move 11 places to the right. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we have 4 here, 4 here. I'll put in the comments here in a moment. And then we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 zeros after that, which makes sense. We move 2 places for the both 4s. 1, 2, 3. We can start to put these 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there we go. We've converted our numbers from scientific notation to standard notation. Awesome. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. Links will be in the description. Thanks for watching.